Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Troubleshooting Network Issues. Troubleshooting network issues in AWS involves a deep understanding of the platform's network architecture, services, and tools, as well as general networking principles. AWS provides a range of networking services, including Virtual Private Cloud, Elastic Load Balancing, Route 53, and Direct Connect. Understanding how to troubleshoot these services is vital for maintaining the reliability and performance of cloud-based applications. One of the primary steps in troubleshooting network issues in AWS is identifying the scope and symptoms of the problem. This involves gathering information about the affected resources, such as instances, subnets, and security groups. AWS CloudWatch and VPC Flow Logs are essential tools for monitoring and logging network traffic, enabling administrators to detect anomalies and pinpoint the sources of issues. For instance, VPC Flow Logs can capture detailed information about the IP traffic going to and from network interfaces in a VPC, which is crucial for diagnosing connectivity problems. Network latency and packet loss are common issues that can significantly impact application performance. To address these issues, it is essential to analyze the network path between the source and destination. AWS provides tools like AWS Reachability Analyzer, which helps in verifying the network paths and identifying misconfigurations in security groups, network access control lists, and route tables. Additionally, employing tools like traceroute and ping can help determine where latency or packet loss is occurring along the path. For example, if latency spikes are observed at a particular hop, it might indicate a problem with the specific network device or segment. Incorrectly configured security groups and network ACLs are frequent culprits in connectivity issues. Security groups act as virtual firewalls for instances to control inbound and outbound traffic. Misconfigured rules can block legitimate traffic, causing connectivity failures. Similarly, network ACLs provide a layer of security at the subnet level, and incorrect rules can disrupt the flow of traffic. Reviewing and updating these configurations is a critical step in troubleshooting. AWS offers security group and network ACL analysis tools that can help identify rules that may be causing issues. For instance, if an instance cannot communicate with a database, checking the security group rules for both the instance and the database can reveal if any rules are blocking the necessary traffic. DNS resolution problems can also lead to network issues, particularly in complex AWS environments with multiple VPCs and hybrid architectures. Amazon Route 53 is a scalable DNS and domain name registration service that can route users to various AWS services. Issues with Route 53 configurations, such as incorrect DNS records or health check failures, can disrupt service availability. Troubleshooting DNS issues involves verifying the DNS records, ensuring that they point to the correct resources, and checking the health of endpoints. Tools like DIG and NSLOOKUP can be used to query DNS records and diagnose resolution problems. For example, if users cannot access a web application, checking the DNS records for the application's domain can help determine if they are correctly configured and resolving to the appropriate IP addresses. Load balancing issues are another area to consider when troubleshooting network problems in AWS. Elastic Load Balancing distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets, such as EC2 instances, containers, and IP addresses. Misconfigured load balancers can lead to uneven traffic distribution or failed connections. It is essential to review the configuration of load balancers, including listener settings, target groups, and health check parameters. AWS provides detailed logging and monitoring for ELB through CloudWatch and Access Logs, which can be analyzed to identify issues like failed health checks or high response times. For instance, if a load balancer is not directing traffic to healthy instances, examining the health check configuration and the status of the target instances can reveal if there are any misconfigurations or underlying issues affecting the targets. Network performance can also be affected by bandwidth limitations and resource utilization. AWS Direct Connect provides dedicated network connections between on-premises environments and AWS, offering higher bandwidth and lower latency compared to internet-based connections. However, bandwidth limitations and network congestion can still occur. Monitoring network utilization and performance metrics through CloudWatch can help identify if bandwidth constraints are causing performance degradation. Additionally, AWS provides tools like the AWS Performance Insights dashboard, which can offer insights into network performance and help in diagnosing issues related to resource constraints. For example, if an application experiences slow performance, analyzing the network throughput and latency metrics can help determine if the network link is saturated and requires a higher bandwidth connection or optimized configurations. Hybrid cloud environments, where on-premises infrastructure is integrated with AWS, introduce additional complexity in network troubleshooting. Ensuring seamless connectivity between on-premises networks and AWS VPCs requires proper configuration of VPN connections, direct connect links, and routing policies. Common issues in hybrid environments include VPN tunnel instability, routing misconfigurations, and inconsistent network policies. Tools like AWS VPN Cloud Hub and AWS Transit Gateway can help manage and troubleshoot these hybrid connections. For instance, if there are intermittent connectivity issues between an on-premises data center and AWS, examining the VPN tunnel status and the routing tables can help identify if there are any configuration issues or network device problems affecting the connection. In summary, troubleshooting network issues in AWS requires a comprehensive approach that involves identifying the scope and symptoms of the problem, analyzing network paths, reviewing security configurations, diagnosing DNS resolution issues, examining load balancer settings, monitoring network performance, and managing hybrid connectivity. AWS provides a robust set of tools and services that facilitate the troubleshooting process, enabling administrators to maintain reliable and high-performing network architectures. By leveraging these tools and following best practices, organizations can effectively address network issues and ensure the seamless operation of their cloud-based applications. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.